Some of those people that you're seeing in those videos that you've never met in real life, I want you to imagine the scene when you meet them in the hereafter. Those people that showed up on your phone and you watched them pulling out their babies from under the rubble. Those people who cried out and said, "Where is the world?" I want you to imagine when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala puts you right in front of that person on the Day of Judgment and you recognize them and they recognize you. And they come up to you and they say, "Jazakallahu khairah. May Allah reward you. Oh Allah, this person saw me from thousands of miles away and did not back away from me. This brother, this sister was there for me. This person raised their voice. And all along, we knew that you would help us, Allah. We knew that victory was from you. Palestine will win, insha'Allah ta'ala. Gaza will win, insha'Allah ta'ala. Al-Aqsa will be liberated, insha'Allah. And we will not let propaganda and the machinery of propaganda, with all of its establishments and powers, intimidate us. In fact, it should increase us in faith.